Welcome to Demand Prints. We print direct-to-film heat transfers, or DTF transfers, for local print shops, whether you're big or small or just a hobbyist looking to make a shirt for yourself. If you've got the art, we can create the DTF so that you can press it onto your shirt. I'm just going to give you a quick demo to show you how easy it is to use our service, and it all starts right on the homepage at DMandPrints.com. That's DMandPrints.com without the E. All you need to do is upload your artwork. I've got some queued up and ready to go. Here's a favorite of mine I call Anonymous, just a little piece of artwork I created. You just simply drag it and drop it into the interface. Then you can set your size. You can adjust the width or the height. That'll auto-calculate the other for you. So I'm going to go 4 inches high because I want this to be on like a left chest on a shirt. I want to get 10 of them. It's automatically calculating my total square inches, my price per square inch, what the price per print actually is, and then what my subtotal is for the design. I'm going to tag my design. This is simply things like a note for yourself, like I'll name it mouse. I might want to add a PO number if it's, or a reference number if it's for a client. I'll just come up with something fake there. You can add up to 10 tags for every piece of artwork. Tags are also searchable later here in the search bar when you want to find and reorder items you may have printed before. I just add the print to cart. When you do that, it's uploading the original artwork to us, and it's creating a low-res thumbnail so that we can show it to you in our interface. It's applying any shipping, and then I just hit checkout. Now, on the checkout screen, I can still make some modifications to my width and my height and my quantity if I want to play around with trying to, adjust the price, etc. Like maybe I want to get to a free shipping tier. So if you're over $250, then shipping would be free. Let's make this, I don't know, let's order 1,000 of them. And now that's going to cost $628 and shipping is free. As long as we get over $250, shipping is free. I still only want 10. I'll hit continue to checkout. All of my information is filled out and ready to go for me as far as where I'm shipping it to. That's because I've added it to my account settings. Let's continue. I can pick just leave it on standard shipping, $20 to expedite it, or if I'm just going to pick it up free, and then it'll automatically adjust your price for you over here. We'll leave it at $8 at standard shipping for $8. I'll continue. Now it's going to ask me for my payment. If you've never shopped with us before, you can simply put in a credit card. You could also use Amazon Pay, and several other payment options are available as well. Once you've purchased from us, you can actually save your credit card information, and the next time just simply authorize it and it'll go through, so you don't have to keep putting your data in. I'm using just a testing credit card number since we're using the test system, and that'll allow us to let it go through. You can see here I can save that for future purchases. Now, we don't actually store this payment information. We use a third-party service that keeps everything secure, and they're authorized by Stripe and fully compliant with all laws. So you can trust that your data is safe with Stripe. All right, now let's just simply hit pay, and wants me to save that, but no need. It's going to process my order, and once everything's approved, it's going to show me my order details. So now I can see where it's being shipped, what my payment method was, all the details of the payment, and there you go. If I wanted to, I could buy more simply by adding it to the cart, but let me show you something else. I have previously, if I go back to DemandPrints.com, I know that I have an order and I've tagged it with bear. I'm just going to search for bear up in the top here. Now, when I search for that, and it is compiling, it's much faster normally, but I'm running this on my local machine, so that's why you're seeing it take a little bit of time to load. The second time that I search, it's going to be much faster. I'll show you that. Here's cat. See how much faster that was? But let's go back to bear. And I've got this Bozeman bear, and I think, and you can see it pulled it up because I've tagged it with barely, bear, bear, bear. Let's pick one of these. I'll pick this one. And this is from a previous test order that I've done. I'm just going to simply add that to my cart. This is going to prepare it for us. And now, there it is again, but this time I'm going to change it. I'd like to have that 6 inches wide. Now you can see the measurement thing down here shows you exactly how wide your actual print is going to be, because all white space has been trimmed off of it. So that's the exact width and height of the width of the print. Let's get 10 of these. I'm going to tag this with bear again. I'll add that print to my cart, and it's going to make sure that the original is uploaded to our servers for printing. We'll check out, and let's continue to check out. Again, just continue. Let's expedite it. Continue, and oh look, I've saved it. This time I'm just gonna use I'm gonna authorize my existing payment method. I'm gonna pay now, and we've just reordered something we had before, but we reordered it and actually changed the size. Now, if I go to my account, I can actually see all the orders I've placed, what the images were that were there, and I can either search from here or I can search from here for things that I might want to look at or reorder if I maybe just want to see a receipt for, I have something called Space Cat. Let's see if I can find Space Cat. Oh, maybe just Space. Or maybe just Cat. There he is. Cat. And in Cat, here's an order I placed where I bought Monster Max, I bought Space Cat, Bozeman Bear, and a tennis shirt for a local job we did there. That is it. That's DemandPrints. And on DemandPrints.com, if you visit, we've got some tips and tricks and some tutorials, some questions and answers, and some guides that can help you with heat pressing and formatting your art and so forth. So that's DemandPrints. And I'm going to stop recording now.